traveling places like San Antonio, Austin, and looking forward to the capital, University of Texas, and exploring more things.
I'm looking forward to see what UT has in scholarships.
We're in the state capital in Austin.
Today I learned a bunch about the senators.
I've learned that the senator is one of the most important people, and the representative, he was very important because he told us all about the Texas history and how we should focus more about it.
Today we're at the Alamo. I learned that there was a refuge about children and the mothers.
We found out that all the women and children that were in this mission hid in a special room